Warren Buffett, who is famously known for making money from stocks, believes that Tesla will undergo serious exponential growth. Tesla CEO Elon Musk recently made a mocking joke about Warren Buffett being poorer than him, while also suggesting that the fellow billionaire should buy a stake in his electric company so that he can at least try to catch up. What is quite surprising is that Warren Buffett responded to Musk in an interview in which he stated that he highly rates Elon Musk and his EV company Tesla, even though he currently doesn't own any shares. So, this is just a snippet of our topic today. Keep watching as we explain more about it. Be sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the notification bell to get more of our videos. Now, we all know that Buffett is worth $122 billion, ranking him as the fifth wealthiest person in the world. Over the last few years, Buffett was passed by Musk, who is the world's richest person, worth an estimated $259 billion. Warren Buffett is popular because of his investment strategy, which focuses on value stocks. Let's find out why the Berkshire Hathaway CEO highly rates Tesla despite its being a volatile growth stock. Well, shares of Tesla have increased over 1,500% over the last 5 years. The company is now valued higher than all of the other major auto companies combined. Former CBS journalist Charlie Rose asked Berkshire Hathaway CEO Warren Buffett his thoughts on Tesla and how the company accomplished this feat. Buffett said that shows what America produces. He added that all the other automotive companies have products, but Musk is finding a way to beat the legacy automakers, taking on General Motors, Ford, Toyota Motors that all have this stuff. He's got an idea and he's winning. Buffett said that there are a lot of companies that produce cars, but ultimately you have to be the one who makes cars that people want. Buffett also acknowledged during the interview that we should be doing more to fight climate change, but didn't elaborate on the impact of electric vehicles. He said that if there's a 1% chance we can fight climate change, we should be doing something. This just means that he is a big fan of any initiative that seeks to fight climate change, and Tesla just happens to be an EV company looking to protect the environment. However, Buffett has been more cautious about Musk in the past, when he criticized him in 2018 for taking on large auto companies. In an interview that aired April 2020, Buffett said he would not invest in Tesla, even though he thought he has done some remarkable things. But from his recent interview, we can tell that Warren Buffett no longer has his negative stance on Tesla. Does this mean that Warren Buffett is warming up to the idea of owning a stake in Tesla? We are going to evaluate Tesla's growth journey and try to figure out why Warren Buffett must be thinking highly of the massive EV giant. So stay tuned. Now, in 2006, Musk published a blog post entitled The Secret Tesla Motors Master Plan, in which he made it crystal clear that Tesla's mission is to speed up the adoption of a solar electric economy. But things weren't easy for the EV giant, as they were faced with constant challenges, including financial constraints. By November 2008, the company's financial situation had worsened and Tesla was on the brink of bankruptcy. To help restore Tesla's coffers and speed up the production of the Tesla Roadster, the company's board of directors approved $40 million in convertible debt financing. However, while the board approved the deal in November, the documents of the financing round weren't signed until December 2009, putting Tesla in a perilous situation. So, Tesla unveiled its first electric sedan, the Model S, in March 2009 in Hawthorne, California, at the SpaceX headquarters. The first-generation Model S had a range of more than 300 miles per charge and could go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.5 seconds. By May 12, 2009, Tesla had already surpassed 1,000 reservations for the Model S. The $40 million financing round helped get Tesla through its darkest hour, but the company needed more resources to further develop its battery technology. Tesla and Daimler had already been in partnership for about a year working on an electric smart car. But by May, Daimler made a long-term bet on Tesla by taking a 10% stake in the company. Two companies agreed to work together on developing battery and electric drive systems. In June 2009, Tesla also received a $465 million loan from the Department of Energy, which it repaid in full by May 2013. The company began a successful journey when it went public for $17 per share on June 29, 2010. This helped the company raise $226.1 million. Tesla gave a glimpse of what its future car would be like when it revealed the Model S prototype at an event in October at its Fremont factory for about 3,000 reservation holders. Musk revealed that the vehicle would get 320 miles per charge and go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds. Just a few months after the Model S reveal, Musk unveiled a prototype of the Model X, the company's first crossover SUV. The car's most novel feature, of course, was its Falcon wing doors. The Model X was very well received, and by February 14, 2012, the company had amassed advanced sales of more than $40 million. In fact, on February 9th, the night reservations opened up. Traffic on TeslaMotors.com increased 2,800%, according to the company. At the time of its reveal, Tesla aimed to have the Model X in production by 2014. However, it wouldn't actually really enter production until the end of 2015. At the moment, Elon Musk expects demand for the Model Y to be more than that of the S, X, and 3 combined. And then there are, of course, the controversial Cybertruck, which received a couple 100,000 pre-orders the day it was announced, as well as the Tesla semi-truck and the new record-breaking Tesla Roadster, which all still have to enter production. Furthermore, Tesla cars that have autopilot enabled are already about 10 times less likely to get into an accident than the US national average. That's how far Tesla vehicles have come. So, Tesla announced its plan to build its giant battery factory dubbed the Gigafactory in February 2014, and it didn't wait long before looking for somewhere to build it. Tesla ultimately decided on a site in Story, Nevada, appropriately located along Electric Avenue. The original site was 1,000 acres, but in June 2015, the company purchased an additional 1,864 acres of adjacent land. Fast forward, Tesla boasts of mega plants dubbed Giga Berlin, Giga Shanghai, and Giga Austin. Currently, Tesla has achieved all of the milestones it set in its 2006 master plan, and it is also worth noting that the first item on Musk's latest master plan is not about cars. It is about solar roofs and battery storage. And the reason why many people say that Tesla is valued more than any other car company? It's because Tesla is more than just a car company. A lot of their focus is in fact on energy products, which Elon Musk expects will be worth as much, if not more, than their entire car division at some point. Tesla is currently producing about 1,000 solar roofs per week in their Gigafactory. 40% of the people who purchase a solar roof also purchase at least one Powerwall, which further increases customer lifetime value. They've also been granted an electrical utility license in the UK and have successfully implemented their grid-scale Megapack battery storage solution in several huge projects worldwide. Tesla is dominating when it comes to battery tech, and there are more improvements coming now that they are building their own battery R&D labs and production lines. If we assume that Musk's second master plan will become a reality, we should see bigger energy business, a vehicle for every market segment, full self-driving, and customers earning money with their Tesla products by 2030. The company is already doing better right now. How better will it get in the future? Please feel free to engage us via the comments section. Thank you and see you next time.